About to get a tornado warning, guys. We're about to get a tornado warning.
These storms have the potential to cause serious injury
We just
and
got a new
significant
tornado
property
warning. Oh, and
damage.
it's destructive.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for southeastern Morton and northeastern Grant counties. At 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 7:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of St. Anthony to 6 miles north of Shields, moving east at 65 miles per hour.
There we go.
These are destructive storms. Expected hazards include 90 miles
Oh my
per
gosh,
hour
it's
wind
EAS.
gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught
Guys, we're
without
about to
shelter.
get an EAS.
Mobile homes will be heavily
I don't know
damaged
why
or
it's not
destroyed.
going off yet.
Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include
What was
Carson,
issued 2
Flasher,
minutes ago, so
Almont, Solon, Cannonball, St.
I don't know why
Anthony,
it's not
Prairie
going
Lakes
off.
Resort, Lark, Raleigh,
We should
Brea,
get it anyway.
Hazleton Recreation Area, Stump State Natural Area, Huff, St. Gertrude, Fort
Jeez,
Rice, and Standing Rock.
Whoa.
The tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time or 2 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time for South Central North Dakota. This is an extremely dangerous situation with
Severe
tornado-like
thunderstorm
wind
warning.
speeds expected.
My phone just went EAS mode. My phone just went EAS mode. Oh, it's destructive. It's destructive. Oh my gosh, it's destructive. Oh my gosh, it's destructive. My phone went off. You guys, did you hear that? My phone just went off. My phone just went off. It's a destructive.
The National Weather Service
Great.
in Bismarck has issued a severe
Yeah,
thunderstorm
sirens
warning
are
for
about. This is
Warren
enough for
County
siren.
in south central
Great.
North Dakota,
I'm in it.
Morton County in south central North
I'm in
Dakota,
this.
southern Oliver County in
I'm in
south
this,
central
guys.
North Dakota,
This is
northwestern Emmons County in south central North Dakota until 10 p.m. Central
Wow, that
Daylight Time.
surprised me.
At 8:57 p.m.
It's also
Central Daylight
possible
Time,
tornado.
severe thunderstorms
So
were
they did
located
not
along a line
extend that
extending
tornado
from
warning.
near center to 13 miles northwest of Mandan to near St. Anthony to 9 miles west of Solon,
Great.
moving east at 70 miles per hour.
Oh God, it's gonna be here
These
in a
are
minute, guys.
destructive storms for south central North Dakota, including Bismarck and Mandan.
Great.
Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size
Wow, I
hail.
was not
This
expecting
is a
that.
radar-indicated threat.
I was
The
not
following
expecting
impacts are
that.
expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
Mobile
shelter.
homes will be heavily damaged,
Mobile homes
and it's
will be
remain
heavily
alert for a
damaged.
possible tornado.
Expect considerable damage to
Oh my
roofs,
gosh, it's so
windows,
destructive.
and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Bismarck, Mandan,
Oh my
Lincoln,
gosh.
Wilton, Hazleton, Flasher,
Hazleton.
Minookan, Wing,
It's like tasty.
Sterling, Regan, St. Anthony,
Oh my
Driscoll,
God.
Judson, McKenzie,
Oh my
Baldwin,
God, guys.
Hazleton Recreation Area, University of Mary, Huff, Crown Butte Lake, and Moffett. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy
I'm
structure.
already there.
This is an extremely
this is
dangerous
gonna-
situation
It's
with
an
tornado
EAS!
wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible
my
to winds
God.
of this magnitude
Let's see
and
if it's
may be
on.
overturned. For your protection, move to an interior
It's
room
on
on the
97.5.
lowest floor of a building. These storms have the
Oh my
potential to
gosh.
cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight.
What? Why did it's double-headered? It's double-headered.
Here is the
No, it's
forecast
not.
for the Bismarck
Oh my
Mandan
gosh.
listening area.
That was
Tornado
unexpected.
watch